Welcome back to the videos. Today I'm going to be installing the Recaro and Momo steering wheel of my old car, and I got a brand new Workspell hub kit from Japan. Off camera I bought this ride rail. This is the IG type, so it has the double locks on both sides and has these aluminum side plates, and I built that off camera just because I was kind of bored waiting on my wheels. And the story with my wheels is they've been delayed due to some unforeseen circumstances, and off camera I also converted my car back to facelift. So there's the 99 2000 front end, just in case you don't know what facelift is. So what I thrown on is the wings, the bonnet and the headlights, and I have the bumper there, but it's not going on until I get my brand new hardware from Honda. So under the bay you can see instead of using like the bolts that came with the car, I just replaced them with like brand new zinc bolts on the hood as well, or bonnet, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, you can see that the big difference between white and green. I'm going to be running the two-tone look until I basically collect side skirts, spoiler, everything, right, and then just have the whole car resprayed in one go, instead of like having it like individually painted. And then what might end up happening is the color might be a shade off or something, so I think it's just better if I just collect everything and just respray the whole car. What I might end up doing now is doing the seat first, because that requires the most effort, because this is it's lighter than standard, but like it's still not like really light. There's still a bit of weight to it. And this is what the standard interior is like. So these are the standard VTI or SI seats. So the driver seat's coming out, and there's a standard steering wheel that's coming out as well. What I noticed is, let me just pull the seat back here, is now this car had a bright recliner in it before, and I fixed back before. So this is obviously it's been taken out before by the last guy. I don't know why he felt the need to have this plate underneath the bolt, unless this bolt was too long or something and was just sticking out and he needed this to space it out a bit. Like there's a lot of things I don't understand with this car. So if I have some replacement size bolts, I'll use them, so I don't have to keep these gross looking yokes, because they don't look the best. So that wasn't too hard, just 4 bolts, one on each corner. The seat was out. I'm gonna have to take off that buckle to throw it on the rail. I think I do have bolts that will replace these, but you can see on this bit, so the rear side left side corner, this bolt is actually like, you know, noticeably bigger than the rest of them, so I'll probably have to keep this. I mean, it still looks a bit gross, and it's kind of like the head's a bit stripped, shit like that, but had to do. These ones can go. Real quick, I'm probably just gonna get the vacuum out and just get this all cleaned up, just because if I throw the seat in, it'll just be harder just to clean afterwards. So yeah, I might as well just clean it now. I gave it a really quick vacuuming, so looks nice, one nicer than before. Then I got the buckle off, and I'm gonna clean this before I actually attach it to the rail, just because it looks kind of gross, you see. And this wasn't too hard. It's just a plastic cover covering over this bolt, just 2 screws, these, and that was it. Some APC diluted for interior use, and quick few sprays of this. It already looks way better. Doesn't look like I'm gonna catch a disease off it. Yep, so much better. What I might do as well is get a little toothpick and just like pick out all that stuff that's in the press bit. That's all dirt. Right, I encountered a problem. See this little part on the end where it bends down. So what's happened is I'm trying to pull it like this, and the bottom part is rubbing on the rail or this plate, so it's not sitting flush against this L bracket. So I'm either gonna cut this off or try to bend it flat, but I'm at my house, so I don't have a vice or anything, you know, that can bend this or take it off. So I don't know, I might just throw the seat in and do this later. Seat is in. Had a problem putting this in, but thanks to this fat cunt is in. I'm gonna do the steering wheel next. So I just took the airbag out, but it was already unplugged. Thank you. So I took the wheel off. Now it's missing the clock spring, and the fella before me chopped the SRS plug off. So I need to get that sorted. So I had to stop there because the car needs the plastic steering wheel surround, and they need a new clock spring and a new SRS plug for that. So I'll probably end up going scrapyard or something, getting the bits, and I'll probably put the steering wheel in the next video. Bye.